Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to finesse a kinky, curly, synthetic full wig. Stay tuned. So all the details of this wig will be in the description box with a link for you to purchase this wig for yourself. So the wig comes with an adjustable strap and 2 combs in the front. So we're going to just jump right into this video. I'm not going to do too much talking, just sit back and enjoy. So this is what the wig is looking like straight out of the packaging. Of course, I am going to go in and separate some of these curls, fluff it out a bit, and shape it to frame my face. And here are my final results, and I am loving this wig. Let me know in the comments what I should name her. She needs a name. Definitely feeling this wig. Let me know if you would rock this wig. Easy to install wig, and it's affordable. You guys, this wig was $18.99. Check the description box, click the link below, get you one, sis. This wig is so bomb. Loving it. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.